What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in the previous video we talked about every single detail about the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and in this video we'll be talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now this will be the complete pack of the leaks which have been already out there. So if you're new here in this channel, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. First of all, talking about the design of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, then it will be almost as similar as the Z Flip Fold 3, but the slight changes which we'll be able to see in this smartphone, that is, it will be going with the S22 Ultra lineup and it will be a bit of a more boxier shape too. Now apart from that, the design, the camera module is expected to be the same and the cameras will also be the same in the Galaxy Z Fold 4. But there is a noticeable change in the aspect ratio as the phone will be a bit of a slimmer when compared to the previous generation. Now talking about the display, then it will be coming with the 6.19 inch of an external display and 7.56 inches of an internal display, and both of the display will be supporting 120 Hz of high refresh rate, and the HDR10 plus content will be supported in this phone. Now talking about the other things, then the inner display will be more of a tougher one and the crease will be reduced in this smartphone, and for the S Pen support will be also much better in this smartphone when compared to the previous generations. Now talking about the camera setup, then it will be a 50 megapixel of a main sensor, 12 megapixel of an ultra wide and 12 megapixel of telephoto camera with a 3x optical zoom. Now it's not a major upgrade on the camera side, but it's still a decent one. But the main upgrade which comes is about the processor, and it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which will be coming with a great performances and it will be a good upgrade. The LPDDR5 RAM will be supported, UFS 3.1 flash storage will be present in this smartphone, and not only that, the colors will be different this time from the previous generation. Note that this phone will not be having an in-display fingerprint scanner on the inner or the outer display like the recently launched Vivo X Fold has, and instead it will be having a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. However, talking about the battery life of this smartphone, the battery life would be remain around the same as the previous generation, and the phone starting price will be at around $1,700 to $1,800 without the charger or any accessories included in the box. Now phone is expected to be launching around side to be of August and September. Generally Samsung conducts its foldable event in August, so we have to wait for till the August to phone be getting officially launched. To get more coverage about the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4, Flip 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5 too, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.